If you love making videos but hate the editing grind, you're not alone. Many content creators find the editing process tedious and time-consuming. But what if I told you there's a way to make it easier and more efficient? You need these AI tools to boost your earnings and streamline your workflow. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. This powerful AI can revolutionize the way you create content. ChatGPT is an AI genius that helps you brainstorm video ideas, write catchy scripts, and even come up with killer video titles. Imagine having a creative partner who never sleeps and is always ready to help you generate fresh content. With ChatGPT, you can easily generate engaging and attention-grabbing titles that will draw viewers to your videos. It's like having a personal assistant 24/7, dedicated to making your content shine. Next up, VidIQ. If you're struggling with SEO and finding it hard to get your videos noticed, VidIQ has got your back. This tool is a game changer for optimizing your content. vidIQ analyzes your channel, suggests trending keywords, and even gives you insights on competitors. It takes the guesswork out of SEO, allowing you to focus on creating great content. By using vidIQ, you can stay ahead of the competition and ensure your videos are optimized for maximum visibility. Say hello to more views and more dollar. vidIQ provides detailed analytics and insights, helping you understand what works and what doesn't. This way, you can continuously improve your content strategy and grow your channel. And finally, Canva. Thumbnails matter, people. A great thumbnail can make the difference between someone clicking on your video or scrolling past it. With Canva's AI, you can create eye-popping, click-worthy thumbnails in minutes. No more spending hours trying to design the perfect thumbnail. Plus, Canva has tons of templates to make your branding consistent and professional. Whether you're a design pro or a complete beginner, Canva makes it easy to create stunning visuals. So there you have it. ChatGPT for ideas, vidIQ for SEO, and Canva for those killer thumbnails. Using these tools together can transform your YouTube channel. Imagine the possibilities when you combine the power of these AI tools. You'll be able to produce high-quality content more efficiently and effectively. That's the trifecta to turbocharge your YouTube income. By leveraging these tools, you can focus on what you do best, creating amazing content. Remember, the key is consistency and quality. Regularly uploading high-quality videos will keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Let AI handle the heavy lifting, so you can focus on creating content you love. These tools are designed to make your life easier and your content better. With AI taking care of the tedious tasks, you can spend more time doing what you enjoy, creating, filming, and engaging with your audience. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips. Keep hustling, YouTubers. With the right tools and creativity, the sky's the limit for your YouTube success.